What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So that was a little hype that I got from thinking about filming this video. Or I should say energy from water. I'm the first person on planet Earth to get energy from water. Yesterday I filmed a video cleaning the bathroom. So as you guys know, my channel is about lifestyle and fashion. Now I did review on colognes, I do outfits and stuff like that. Excuse me. Alright, so I wear nice clothing, clean clothing. As you've seen, if you've watched before, I'm a keen guy on my hygiene. I love to be clean, I love to wear clean clothing, I love to live in a clean environment, but cleaning my bathroom was an essential, and in my opinion, I think every guy should clean their bathroom. Not only the girl should clean it, but the guy also. So I wanted to share how I clean it. If you guys enjoyed this video, yo, I'm so tired to do it. Like, that was pretty tough cleaning that I did. The cleaning lasts for like 40 minutes. So yeah, guys, I'm currently filming another video and another video and another video and another video, because there will be a lot of videos. So you can thank me later if you subscribe to this channel. Alright guys, so in this video I used basically stuff that I had in the kitchen. I had bleach and stuff, but I didn't want to use stuff like this. I wanted to use natural stuff that I had in the kitchen. I really wanted to use natural products. I used dish soap, white vinegar, and baking soda, and made a sprayer. Vinegar is gonna kill bacteria and germs. The baking soda is gonna flush down the sewer. Everything that went in the sewer is gonna go right down into the pipes to the sewer. And the dish soap will foam it up and get rid of stain and like odor and stuff like that. So that was a pretty natural sprayer that I made.
So that's what he's putting in, guys. He's really over there. But also, in this before this video gets started a little bit, I just wanted to tell you guys, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure you follow him on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you.
Alright guys, so as you can see I'm cleaning the bathtub, but it takes a little bit time, so bear with me. I'm gonna finish with this and alright guys, so as you can see I am gently spraying the bath pipes and the knob as well, and I am getting a sprayer with the vinegar all over on the bathtub again. And now I will leave the bathtub to like soak for the vinegar to really deep clean the bathtub, deep clean the pipes, deep clean the everything. I am currently taking out my bath products. As you can see I have the axe, the dial, the Tresemme and stuff like that, and also the Suave. So I'm gonna take all of it out and I'm gonna clean the shelf. Alright guys, so now that we're finished with the bathtub, we're gonna proceed to go on the floor. I'll start get it damp or wet, whatever you want to call it, and then I'll put some dish soap on it, and I'll start to first I'll get out the dust, as you can see, then I'll start to scrub it down with the brush, and we go from there on. Alright guys, so the floor was pretty quick, but now we're gonna get in depth to the sink. I will spray the liquid that I have onto the sink and I will leave it. As you can see, the white stuff that I have there is basically the baking soda.